You are lucky to have escaped. Nnamdi Kanu dares the soldiers to visit the forest again in search of the Eastern Security Network. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has warned against attacking the Eastern Security Network, ESN operative established to protect Igbo land against Hader's invasion. Kanu, who was reacting to the Friday clash between soldiers and Eastern Security Network at Okporo, Olu, Imo State, warned those searching for the operative of the security outfit to stay clear because IPOB is determined to protect all the bushes and forests in Igbo land against foreign invaders. He spoke through the IPOB Media and Publicity Secretary, Emma Powerful. According to him, nobody has ever seen Eastern Security Network along the road or street, but looking for us must come inside the bush, not the street. We are warning those looking for our personnel to stay clear because we are determined to protect our bushes and forests throughout Biafran land against the foreign invaders. He said he was happy Nigerians had come to the realization that their common enemies are herdsmen, assembled by northern cabals to forcibly take over our ancestral lands in the name of keeping Nigerian one and promise of Southern presidency in 2023. Oh, you see that? I see that Nnamdi kind of said it that we are not in a hurry for Biafran freedom. They single-handedly will say, Biafrans, please, you people can go. With this that is gradually opening up, everyone will start seeing it, both home and in diaspora, that the real enemies of Nigeria is the herdsmen. And they are the people that they have given the opportunity to rule. What a bloody mistake and crazy mistake that has been done. You see that? So what Nnamdi Kanu have just said is just the truth. Issuing that warning to them, I don't know if they heed to it, but I believe that that warning will do something next time those soldiers or police visit the forest again. What are they going to the forest to do? These guys are not after them. They are only after the bandits. Okay, you people are saying that IPOB is evil. IPOB is wicked, but since the group, the security network was established, they have never gone after any innocent life or kill any innocent life. You understand? So why are they now coming after them? Why? They never came after them, after the Nigerian army. So why is the Nigerian army coming after them? Why and for what? What would be their gain? Okay, see now, they came after them and they ended up clashing with them. I thought they said that it's a propaganda that there is nothing like Eastern Security Network. The Nigerian police went to the bush, they didn't see them. They went the second time, they end up seeing them. But the clash is something that they will never in their lifetime want to try it again. Why didn't they go back? Why didn't the Nigerian police try to go back again? Why now left the Nigerian soldiers to come? Okay, Nigerian soldiers coming, they ended up clashing with them and they disappeared. Why did they disappear? Why did they disappear? Why did they disappear? My dear viewers, we just need to stop deceiving ourselves. We just need to stop deceiving ourselves and telling ourselves the truth. Because if we don't start doing the right thing now, I wonder when we'll start doing the right thing. I wonder. You understand? Because to me, that is the only way out. That is the only way out. Nnamdi Kanu has warned the Nigerian army specifically and severally to hold their peace, to be at peace. They are not after them. They are only after the bandits. Okay, see now, the last clash they had with the soldiers on Friday took lives of innocent people. Did they take the life of any Eastern Security Network? Did they? Did they succeed? How did they feel during the attack? Are they seen to be ordinary people? They were warned. The Nigerian army were warned. Now we can warn them severely, but they won't hear. They won't hear. Okay, look at now. What is their gain? What is their gain? What did they gain at the end? Nothing. They want to capture the Eastern Security Network. They want to capture them. Okay, let's see how possible that is going to be. Let's see. This is the third month since the Eastern Security Network was established. They have not been able to even get hold of them, not to talk of attacking them. The two Nigerian security force has gone to carry out their try. They can't. Maybe it's a full battalion that they will send, and then they will now be forced to leave the forest with force. I don't know. The best thing for Nigerian government to do is to partner with these guys, do things with these guys, so that these guys can work together and get hold of these hoodlums. You can see that even after the establishment of this group, they did nothing than to go straight to the forest, because they understood that is the angle these hoodlums are actually coming from. But we don't want them to exist. Well, that is their own cup of tea. My viewers, what's your take on this news? Deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.